Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix parameter is incorrect Windows 11. We are going to enter PowerShell in the search box. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to access. Now, in the terminal, run the command that we left you in the description of the video. You must enter the name of the application that generates the error. Press Enter and wait for this process to finish. To complete the process, restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.